Hi, my name is Ebony and I am a second year student at the University of Sheffield studying Biomedical Science. Although no 2 days are the same, this is usually how I like to start mine. Most mornings I wake up early to do some yoga, if my alarm wakes me up on time. I find it to be a great way to start the day and it helps boost my energy for 9 a.m.s. As a first year, I lived in Encliffe, one of the university's student accommodation villages. This year, I've been living in Crooks, a popular area for students, and only a 15-minute walk away from the main campus. You won't be short for a workout around here. Sheffield is built on 7 hills. A typical day for me consists of a number of lectures on the university campus. The Biomedical Science department has several buildings where lectures, labs, and tutorials take place. My personal favourite is Firth Court, with architecture that looks stunning all year round. This year, I'm studying modules in subject areas ranging from developmental biology to physiology and pharmacology. The lecture programme in first and second year gives us a great opportunity to gain a strong foundation understanding in a wide range of topics. As I am in my final semester of second year, we are now in the process of selecting our options for third year. Being able to sample a variety of different fields within biomedical science so far has helped me make an informed choice on which route I wish to study in more depth.
Hi, my name is Genn. I study Biomedical Science at the University of Sheffield. In between lectures, I like to study at the library just to catch up on work and write up lectures and all that. The university has 4 libraries on campus: the IC, Shire, Western Bank, and my favourite is the Diamond. These libraries have all the relevant books required for my course, including the molecular biology of the cell. When you get to uni, you'll realise that's a chunky one. The library has a lot of facilities to offer, such as printing, computers, and study rooms for all students. But make sure you get up early if you want a space during exam season. And after studying, I'm always hungry, so I like to pick up a snack from the SU. Grill and Go is so tasty, but recently I've started going to New Leaf, which is a really healthy alternative and gives you so much choice. In my free time, I enjoy playing squash. I joined the university squash club as a fresher last year, and it's such a good way to keep fit and release any stress. This year, I volunteered to be a biomedical science past mentor. This involves a pair of second year students supporting a group of first years in their learning by delivering weekly study sessions on topics of their choice, which also helps me to revise the first year content.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Camila. I am an international student. This is my second year as a biomedical science student at the University of Sheffield. Usually, every week, I have anatomy labs. Sheffield is special in that we do human cadaveric dissection, which is a great asset to my learning. We have the opportunity to study the organs in situ and use models and plastinated specimens to complement our knowledge of the human body. The uni offers a lot of different activities outside of the course. For example, I take Spanish from Languages for All every Tuesday for 2 hours and every Friday for 1 hour. This allows me to gain a well-rounded skill set as it allows me to do something academic but not related to my course. In my free time, I enjoy playing the guitar. I've been playing it for over 6 years now. It's a very good way to relieve my stress as biomed is a very challenging course.
So, if you could go back in time to first year, what would you tell your first year self?
Oh, that's a good question.
If I could give my first year self some advice, it would be
To attend more classes and to study from day one.
to try to avoid preconceptions you may have about what the university experience should look or be like. Your experience is entirely what you make it, so keep an open mind and make the most of your time here.
I think that I'd tell myself not to worry so much. Even before first year, I remember I was so worried about whether I picked the right course or whether I'd even picked the right uni. Everything worked out for the best in the end, and even though there are some days I felt overwhelmed, now I know that I love studying biomed in Sheffield.